everyone, this is Mandeep Burmi from Ace Driving School in Winnipeg, Manitoba. In this video, I will show you guys how to turn right at an intersection. So we will mostly practice at stop signs, and I did another video on the right turns at traffic lights. So we're going to be turning right on this stop sign here. So I'm pulling back to the right side. Now when you're turning right, the first thing when you stop on the stop sign, the first thing you look for is the stop line. If you see a stop line, then you stop before the stop line. The front bumper of your car, it should not go over the stop line. If you don't see any stop line, then you look for a sidewalk. You made a full stop before the sidewalk, and that's what we did here. So we made a full stop before the sidewalk. If you don't have a sidewalk, then you can pretty much stop before the edge of the curb. Now then you look at the stop sign, right? So you want to see if it's a 4-way stop sign, 3-way stop sign, 2-way stop sign, or a 1-way stop sign. Now this stop sign is a 2-way stop sign. So we have a stop sign, there's another stop sign on the other side, but the cross traffic does not stop, so it's a 2-way stop sign. So that means now I did a full stop, so I can check on the sidewalk first, make sure there's no pedestrian crossing, then I roll forward, and then I check traffic coming from the left hand side. If I see somebody coming from the left side, I let them go first. Then I also check pedestrians on the right hand side as well to make sure there's no pedestrian, because if I see a pedestrian there, they get the right of way. So let's do another right turn here. So we're going to be turning right here. So this time I don't have a stop sign, so that means I only slow down and then I complete my turn, checking pedestrians. If I see a pedestrian there, then I stop and let them go first. But there was no pedestrian, so that means I'm good to go. So we will be taking another right turn at stop sign.
Hey, what's up guys? Let's take a quick break. I'm gonna ask you 2 simple questions. You just have to say yes or no. Here's question number 1. Do you want to know the rules of the road? You just have to say yes or no. Question number 2. Do you want to ace your driving test? You just have to say yes or no. Now if you said yes, man, you need to buy this online training program. Alright? This online training program gonna show you the most common general mistakes and most common critical mistakes that cause people to fail their driving test. And it's only $99. That's it. It's just 99 Canadian dollars, and you're gonna have access to this online training program forever. Okay, your membership does not expire. All right, so buy this online training program right now. You see the link on your screen. There's also a link in the description below. So buy this online training program and let's ace your driving test. All right. Okay, so let's continue with the video.
So when you're about 30 meters before the intersection, that's when you put your right signal on. And now I'm slowing down a little bit, and I'm going to make a full stop here before the sidewalk. I check on the sidewalk first, make sure there's no pedestrian on the sidewalk, then I roll forward. I'm checking traffic coming from the left hand side. Right now there is traffic coming from the left hand side, but all the traffic is actually in the far lane because we have 2 lanes on the street. So that means I can still go because all the cars are in the far lane. That means I can still go in the right lane. Okay, very important point over there, because a lot of time in the driving lessons, people, they see traffic coming, but they actually don't realize that the traffic is in the far lane. Okay. All right, so let's do another right turn at the stop sign. So this time there is a car coming as well, so I'm just going to pull back to the right side and let them go first, and after that we will pull back to the left side. So we will pull out, sit with a signal shoulder check, and now we're gonna turn right. So I got my right blinker on, right shoulder check, complete stop here before the sidewalk. Checking on the sidewalk first, make sure there's no pedestrian, roll forward, check for the traffic, no traffic coming, check pedestrians on this side, looks clear, and that's how you complete your right turn. So let's do left turn this time. Okay. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Leave your questions in the comments below, and I will do my best to get to your questions as soon as I can. So that was a quick video on how to turn right at an intersection. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys again.